Ay 2:11 in the afternoon na, and sorry if malakas yung electric fan kasi nakatutok siya right now sa akin kasi ang init. It's ano ata, mga 32 degrees here in Sorsogon. So yeah, I'm back here in Sorsogon na in the Philippines. It's been 3 weeks since dumating kami from Singapore. So if you haven't saw my recent vlog, which is yung trip namin going to Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, I will put the link to the description box. So ayan si Aina. So anyways, today is Saturday and I'm going out. I'll be meeting She kasi hindi siya nakapunta nung birthday ko. And hindi ako naka-vlog that day, which is yung celebration namin ni Mami kasi tinamad na ako. So anyway, yeah, I'll be meeting She sa SM and then bibigay ko sa kanya yung pasalubong ko sa kanya. So yeah, ang init guys. So anyways, yung lippy na gamit ko is yung bagong product ata ng Happy Skin, which is the Happy Skin Lip Jelly in the shade Strawberry Freeze. Ito siya guys. Yeah, kakabili ko lang nito nung Tuesday. So dumating na kahapon. So sa sale siya, nabili ko siya ng 199. Tapos yung presyo niya ata nasa 499 ata or 599, para mga ganon. So yeah, I will put the link sa description box. And nakita nyo yung powers ko. Anyways, I'll be updating you once nakita na kami siya. Family channel po ito guys. 499. Hanapin niyo.